Okay, who?
He's
The guy in here?
Unknowing that he all out of my life, yes.
Okay.
He don't live here.
Okay. Do you live here?
No, I do not.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need you to leave then.
Okay.
Do you have an ID?
What's your...
Are you under the influence?
Yes.
Okay, so you're drunk?
I've been drinking.
Okay, let's go.
I would like this to be slow and easy.
Well, I don't have slow. I don't have the time.
On the 7th of January, 2025, Officer Starky of the Kingsville Police Department in Texas made an arrest that turns on one of the most misunderstood phrases in the state's criminal code. That phrase is public place. Under Texas Penal Code Section 49.02, public intoxication requires 3 elements, and the public place element is where most cases are won or lost. The statute states that a person commits an offense if he appears in a public place while intoxicated to the degree that he may endanger himself or another. Texas Penal Code Section 1.07 defines a public place as any location to which the public or a substantial group of the public has access.
Yes, ma'am.
Are we getting chances to go away? Right? He showed up this morning, well, me and my grandson were chopping, whatever, and he was here. And I had to hear what he had to say, whatever, whatnot.
Okay, where do you live?
I live here.
In this house right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all mine.
And what's your name?
Diana.
Diana? Last name?
But he's got a buggy with his stuff on it, and that's why I was looking back there, but it's not back there. I don't know where it's at.
Okay, who?
He's
The guy in here?
Unknowing that he all out of my life, yes.
Okay.
He don't live here.
Okay.
We've been separated for like...
All right, so he's in here?
Yeah. And that's why I was looking to see his buggy was back there. But I can't take this shit. I got things to do.
Hey, how you doing, sir? Officer Starky, Kingsville Police. What's going on? Do you live here?
No, I do not.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need you to leave then.
Okay.
All right, well, let's go.
And
I gave him a chance
if I may?
Your buggy, I already told him about your buggy.
No, been here for years.
Do you live here? I just asked you and you said no, sir.
No.
Okay.
And
what's your name?
Excuse me.
What's your name?
I would like to be in total compliance.
Okay, well, give me your name. What's your name? Do you have an ID?
What's your...
Are you under the influence?
Yes.
Okay, so you're drunk?
I've been drinking.
Okay, all right.
Excuse me.
Not here.
Look. No, and I have not been here.
What's his name?
Peter Solis.
Peter Solis.
And I have not been drinking here. Thank you, sir.
You have what? You just told me you were drinking intoxicated.
Not here, he said.
Oh, yeah, not here. Yeah.
Yeah, he said
Well,
not here.
let's go. Come on. Let's go.
I would like this to be slow and easy.
Well, I don't have
Yeah,
slow.
no,
I don't have the time for
you.
slow. I'm good at sir. I don't have the time for slow. Let's go.
Excuse me. She has every right to do this.
No.
And I am complaining.
Well, then let's go. Come
Okay.
on. All right.
A private front porch is generally not a public place. This is the strongest defense available in any prosecution arising from this arrest. However, Texas courts have recognized that where an officer, acting on a separate lawful basis, causes a person to enter a public area, the public place element may be satisfied at the point of that transfer. The separate lawful basis here is criminal trespass. Under Texas Penal Code Section 30.05, a person commits an offense if he remains on the property of another after receiving notice to depart. The resident provided that notice. She told the officer the subject did not live there and that she wanted him gone. The notice element is satisfied. This is why the officer's words on camera matter. He states that because the subject does not belong there, he is now going to be in public and therefore subject to arrest for public intoxication. That sequence tracks the doctrine almost exactly. The trespass establishes the lawful basis. The removal establishes the public place. The second element, intoxication, is established by the subject's own admission. When asked if he was under the influence, he answered yes. This admission is fully admissible because the subject was not yet in custody and the question was not part of a custodial interrogation. Miranda v. Arizona does not apply.
Here, I'll help you up. Let's go. Sir,
Come on, baby.
Hey, are you gonna be able to get up and go?
I don't like your hat.
Okay, sir, that's fine.
I don't like your hat.
That's your option.
No.
Okay,
Oh, now.
sir.
There.
Okay, come on.
That's what it is.
Let's go. Come on.
I was too surprised, sir. I was too surprised.
Then
sir.
get up, or I'm gonna arrest you.
Wow. That's
Outpost, Alamo, Texas, expires. September 27th, dangerous.
Are you gonna be able to walk?
no.
No. Okay. Let's
You
go.
know why?
I'm-
if
I'm-
I may.
Okay, let's go. You're under arrest,
No,
sir.
excuse me.
All right, sir. I'm placing you under arrest.
I'm
Okay.
degrading myself.
Okay.
Do you think I cannot?
No, she's asking you to leave because you don't belong here, and now you're gonna be in public. So I'm gonna
Why?
arrest you for public intox. Come on, let's go. Stand up for me, all right? Because I
I'm
can't,
half left.
sir.
I'm half left.
Okay, come on, let's go,
I'm not.
Sir.
I'm half left.
Just stand up.
sir. Stand up, or I'm gonna have to put you on the ground. Okay?
No,
Come on,
I help him.
come on.
No, no.
Give me your hand, sir.
I help him get you up.
Okay. Let's go.
No.
Okay, go ahead. Put your hands behind your back for me.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. There we go.
You need help. I already told you. No. Picking up hard.
The third element, danger, is the closest question. The statute does not punish intoxication alone. It punishes intoxication to a degree that creates risk. Here, the subject cannot stand without assistance, is disoriented, and has no lawful place to go. A reasonable officer could conclude this level of impairment creates a risk to the subject himself. The second officer's recognition of the subject as a recurring intoxicated individual reinforces this conclusion under the totality of the circumstances doctrine that governs probable cause. The constitutional standard is probable cause, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, a warrantless arrest for a fine-only misdemeanor is permitted when probable cause exists. The use of force is governed by Graham v. Connor, which judges reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. Measured against that standard, the force here sits at the lowest end of the continuum: verbal commands, time to comply, and soft, empty hand control. No strikes and no weapons.
Something. You do
Oh,
that,
yeah.
make him on.
What's that?
You do that, make him on.
Is he MHMR?
Yeah, call him up, tell him to send him to a rehab, something.
Well, he's intoxicated. You're not going to let him stay here, so I got to take him to
He
jail.
can't stay. He doesn't live here.
Yeah.
He showed his own road. I got a different road. Okay.
That's totally understandable, ma'am. It's not your fault.
Sorry for
All
that.
right, sir. Come
I
on.
had to do what I had to do.
Come with me. Sir, you're going to have to walk with me, okay? I'll come back and get you. Come on.
He's gonna help.
Come on.
Close it out.
Let's go, sir.
Behind the store, I always look.
Come on. Come on, sir.
I'll find you later.
Right here, all right? Peter. Come on.
You out back
Peter, again? Peter,
excuse me.
Sir,
I'm
come on.
looking for a baby carriage right now.
Jump again, Peter.
Hey, where's my baby carriage?
Your cart?
Everything I have.
The cart? You left it at HEB. You left it there.
Again?
Yes.
Well, come on, man. That's all I have, man.
Well, you left it at HEB.
Hold on.
You were drunk
Hold
last
on.
time, bro. You remember?
Hold on.
You remember me at least. Peter,
Hold on. I had a coat, and
I'm gonna go back and get
I
you.
can deal
this cart?
with this weather.
Oh, yeah.
I can deal with this weather. I want to comply.
Yeah. You walked
But
at least last
that
time.
everything
You
I
had
have.
to carry him last time. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, he's acting crazy.
Come on. Everything I have It's in a better carriage, man.
You left it at HEB that one time. you were drunk.
Okay, no,
Yeah.
more than once.
Oh, more than once. Okay.
Come on. Who's,
You gotta stop
where's
drinking.
my favorite carriage?
You gotta stop drinking so much, Peter. You're getting crazy, man.
Hey, man, what are you?
You're too old for all that.
Come on. Trying to run a
Hey,
fuck?
Peter.
or what?
Peter, put your butt in first, Peter.
Excuse me.
Peter, butt
Excuse me.
first.
No, 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 no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everybody
yes.
give it a. Oh, it doesn't happen here.
You're too old for all this, man.
Hey, man.
You're too old for all this, Peter.
Peter, come on.
Come on, let's get inside. Come on.
No, no.
You ready?
Where's my favorite carriage?
Okay, Peter. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Where's my favorite carriage? Come on.
Come on, feet up. Feet up.
Ah,
Come on, Peter.
ah.
Come on, Peter.
Officer Starky earns a C+. The arrest is legally defensible and the force is restrained, but refusing the subject's request to slow down abandoned the clearest de-escalation tool available. Peter Solis earns a D. He admitted impairment, refused to identify himself, and remained after a lawful order to leave, converting a civil dispute into a criminal arrest through unforced errors. The reporting party earns a B for calling law enforcement rather than acting herself and giving a calm, accurate account without exaggeration. The Kingsville Police Department earns a B-. The response was proportionate, but the officer's familiarity with the subject signals a recurring problem better addressed by diversion than by arrest. The lessons here are practical. First, intoxication inside a private home is not, by itself, a public intoxication offense. The public place element must be independently established. Second, admitting impairment to an officer is the single most damaging statement a subject can make. There is no legal obligation to do so. Third, for officers, a separate lawful basis, such as a trespass complaint, is what makes a porch arrest survive a constitutional challenge. The legal theory must be built before the cuffs come out. And fourth, when a subject is impaired and passive rather than threatening, slowing down is not weakness. It is the documented best practice. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.